In this video, we are going to see how you can edit or add any mid-roll ads in the middle of your YouTube video. So in the long format content, especially the videos that are 8 minutes or more in length, you can add the mid-roll ads as well. But it is not compulsory that YouTube will play it every time. And even you don't need to overdo it, because that confuses the user or makes the user frustrated and they ultimately leave your video. So you don't want that. You don't want to flash too many ads on your video. So with this said, let's see how we can add those mid-roll ads. First of all, you want to head over to your monetized channel, click on the YouTube Studio, and we click on next to the dollar sign, and we click next to the monetization sign. And it says only 8 minutes video or more is eligible for that ad. So for example, this is the one. We click on the monetization, and here it shows show mid-roll ads during the video. I've already enabled that, but if you have that disabled for your long videos, you can enable that from here, and you can even define your slots for the best natural breakpoints. YouTube automatically selects it, but you can manage it yourself as well. Click on that, and it says it will flash after 1 minute, then 3 minutes, and 8 minutes. So already the slots are defined pretty nicely, but if you want to move that slot somewhere, you can manually move that too. Like you can see here, you can change the placement of how the ads will flash in your length videos, full length videos, and you can even delete some if you feel that there are too many ads in this long video and it makes it difficult for the user to concentrate on the video. So if you feel like that, you can remove some of the parts of ads from here. After that, click on continue and click on save. And that is how we basically customize or edit the pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll ads on YouTube videos. But just remember, like I said, that it is for the long format content or any videos that are greater than at least 8 minutes or so. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.